What's up, everybody? It's your boy Handy Andy, and today we're going to be unboxing the Roku Express. This is a $40 solution for you to cut the cord and just watch things like Netflix and stream all of your content onto your TV. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the Roku Express. Pretty simple. Basically, you got your battery, the actual Roku unit, and this is where you hook the HDMI from here to your television. And you also have a micro USB because you're going to have to power it. Now, the great thing about this is it's such low power that if your television has a USB port, and most of them do, you're going to be able to power it that way. And here is the controller. Very simple. Let's see, what buttons do they have now? CBS, all access, Roku channel, of course. The Roku channel is not that bad. It's like basically it's just like commercials. Netflix and Google Play. That's interesting. Of course, you got your quick start guide, so you can read this if you need to, but otherwise just hook it HDMI and power it on, and there's your cables right there. So you got the HDMI cable, which is pretty small because it needs to be, and also the micro USB. So again, you take these two, hook those to your television, put the battery inside your remote. That's good. See, like, finally companies are starting to do this and providing batteries. But this, my friends, right here, you are looking at a $40 solution to get Netflix on virtually any channel and thousands of other apps, whether they're paid ones like NHL or even DAZN. But the Roku channel in of itself is a lot of content. So if you just bought this for $40 and just watch that, you could watch a variety of shows. It's just like commercials. So great way to cut the cord. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel. We will put all of these to the test. Of course, I'm going to hook them up and just see how this compares to, like, say, the Roku Premiere or the other versions of Roku. So this was the unboxing of the Roku Express. Once you take it out, that, my friends, is what you get. See you again next time.